वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं महेश कुमार, आप देख रहे हो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है चौधरी हीरालाल मेमोरियल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल छज्जूनगर गांव में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसा रहने वाला है आज चौधरी हीरालाल मेमोरियल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बच्चे की स्पीच आपको अच्छी लगे उसके लिए वोट जरूर करें। केवल सब्सक्राइबर ही वोट कर सकते हैं, तो पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बाद वोट करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज़्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी, और जिस बच्चे की जितनी अच्छी रैंक होगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है आज चौधरी हीरालाल मेमोरियल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन।
मैं कक्षा 7 से स्नेहा पंघाल आप सभी के सामने बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ के ऊपर स्पीच बोलना चाहूँगी। बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ इस नारे की नौबत एक सोसाइटी में कब आती है, यह सवाल आप अपने आप से नहीं पूछेंगे। हमारे पेरेंट्स कर्जा उठाते हैं तो बेटों की पढ़ाई के लिए और बेटियों की विदाई के लिए। हमारी सोसाइटी में आज्ञाकारी सबसे बड़ा टाइटल है जो एक औरत को ही मिलता है। बहू हो या बेटी, एक पुरुष का कहना मानना पड़ता है। एक लड़की अपनी जिंदगी में क्या करना चाहती है, वह अपना जीवन कैसे जीना चाहती है, उसके लिए उसे एक पुरुष से पूछने की आवश्यकता नहीं होनी चाहिए, और इस दिन जेंडर इक्वालिटी होगी। मेरी पहचान मैं हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Good morning all of you. My name is Lakshya. My speech is Digital India. Digital India is a component launched by the Government of India. It was launched in July 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The by plans to connect rural area with high speed internet facilities are e-education, e-health, and e-shopping, e-commerce. Used for money transfer one account to another account such as PhonePe, Google Pay. It has many advantages in your life to make things are easy. Thank you one and all to give this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning, Namaste, Shri Shikal, Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Nancy Kaushik. I am studying 7th class. Today my topic is polybag plastic waste. A polythene bag is a bag made of plastic, especially one used to protect food or household articles. This is made at 50 or less than 50 microns, so it is not recycled product. A polythene bag is a great pollution, so polythene bag creation, something people are less educated to throw polybags roads and fields. They are not recycled. American people make 10 times more plastic waste. According to survey compared to India, but they collect all plastic waste in dustbin recycle plastic waste. But it is possible because they are educated of this. India government passed a law to make 50 or more than 50 micron to recycle plastic. Please I request throw your plastic waste in dustbin. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dipti from 7th class. Today I am here to speak on Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao means save the girls and educate the girls. This scheme was launched by the government of India the month of 22 January 2015. The purpose of this scheme was generating awareness as well as improving the efficiency of welfare services for women and girls child. The entitled is required for in scheme was rupees 100 crore, as according to census age group 0 to 6 year was 927 to 1000 in our country. It was seen a huge drop in the 6 ratio, 918 girls and 1000 boys in our country 2011. Thank you.
Hello everyone, first of all thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manvi Kaushik. I am 11 years old. I am from Chhajnagar and today's my topic is value of time. Time is very important in our life. We should always make good use of time. Once time passes, it never come back. Time once gone can be recovered. We should never waste time. In student life, we make use the time is very intelligently. We should also use of good of other people around us. This helps us and the society to grow toward a superior tomorrow. Moreover, the student of teach our kids the importance of the value of the time. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Sheetal. Today I am here to speak on Beti Bachao Beti Padhao.
Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a social scheme launched by the Prime Minister of India. There is imbalance of birth rate and discrimination against a girl child in India. People take their daughters for other issue difference between a son and a daughter. It is a great curse to our society. The people education to their daughters equal to their son. We should awaken the people to save and teach our daughter. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Khushi Chauhan, and today I am here to speak on Save Water. We all know that water is very important for life. We cannot imagine that. It is true that we can live 4 days without food, but we cannot live without water. Water is a precious gold. We should not waste it. We need to save it. Water is used for all the routine tasks. There is no life without water. Water is used for cooking and cleaning, etc. Do not waste or throw drinking water. Water is called life. It is for us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandhya from 7th class, and today I am here to speak on deforestation. Deforestation is the process of cutting down the forest without replanting them again. The causes for deforestation are to obtain wood and fuel or to use the land for farming and construction. From the time of civilization till now, forest wood is very essential for human everyday life. Forests help in maintaining water cycle, oxygen and carbon dioxide balance, shelter to many species on earth. Forests cover nearly 30% of the earthland. Thank you.
My name is Nikita from 7th class, and today I am here to speak on Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Human existence on earth is not possible without the equal participation of both men and women. Both are equally responsible for the development of any country. Along with the existence of mankind, the biggest crime in the world. Girls are killed in mother womb. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme which means save the girl and educate them. The scheme was started 22 January 2015 in Haryana to create awareness and improving women welfare. Thank you.